noticed that kid in the back drawing with his head down, maybe with his headphones or in his own little world? That was me growing up as a kid. Until I had one teacher that really helped me out, and she taught me a different way of learning. Do you want to get your coworkers more involved? Do you want to get them more excited on what they're doing? Do you want to get students talking to other students and having them connect and communicate? Hi, my name is Victor Lucero, and I do motivational speaking through team building. So what we do in our programs, we create that environment. We make it fun. We make everybody stand to their feet. We really maintain the attention that most speakers don't really get, because they lose a lot of people if they tune out, especially if they're like me with ADHD. You know, they tune out right away. So we try to get everybody up. We try to keep it more involved and more interactive. So that's the type of stuff that we train with. So a big thing that these workshops do, it causes students to get involved no matter how shy, no matter how outgoing, no matter what cultural background they have, no matter if they speak the language or not, they still come together and work as a team. Another thing that's unique about the workshops that we do, we always bring materials with us that causes them to engage, and we have like tons of activities that we do. We do with like half pipes, we do with marbles, with handkerchiefs, with everyday material that you can really use that really pay off in the end. And depending on the contract, especially for these programs, for these offices, or if it's your team or your program, we leave those behind so you can go back and do your own team building activities from the training that we do. So aside from just motivational speaking and team building, we also have a dance crew called Cypher Movement that can come out to your school or your organization. And statistics show that if a teen is listening to another teen, they're more apt to become even more engaged than listening to an adult. But we bring the music, we bring the current dancing, current music that the kids are really into these days, and we allow that to be a tool to really connect and to really create a hook for the kids to be even more engaged.
Victor is very engaging, he is friendly, relatable, knowledgeable, very professional as well, and just makes things fun.
One thing that I really enjoyed about Victor's teaching is that he comes from a real life view. In between the teachings, he gives different stories from his life or situations that may have happened in his life that give us a little bit of a deeper insight, and it kind of allows us to open up, and it was a reminder for me that I can share my story with the kids.
So if you're ready to make an impact in your workplace, in your school, we're ready to work with you. Our team is ready to come alongside of you and make a difference in your community.